Tron may drop 1.1% by April 16 per coin price forecast. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. Tron has moved higher by 0.7% since yesterday and trades close to $0.3235. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Digital coin price believes tomorrow's move could bring us to $0.3258, marking a price gain near 0.7%. Tron might move up to $0.3245 according to CoinCodex. That's roughly 0.3% up. CoinLore notes it may slide towards $0.3211, a fall close to 0.7%. Another forecast released by CoinPrice Forecast sees potential for Tron to slide to and 32 cents, a projected drop of about 1.1%. And in closing crypto predictions sees the price dipping to $0.3092 by tomorrow, 4.4% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. All forecasts considered, here's the overall summary. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decrease of 4.4% and an increase of 0.7%, depending on the analyst. As a result, crypto predictions is expected to post the highest return, with 4.4% growth in value by April 16. To sum it up, you could net between $3 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinCodex has delivered the most reliable forecast, with a 66.9% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Consensus expectations place Tron on a path to fall by about 1%. Let's get into the specifics. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 1% decrease. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $10 gained. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for Tron is placed at roughly 58.8%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. For the coming days, digital coin price sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. A climb is highlighted by CoinCodex, pointing to bullish sentiment. CoinLore anticipates a quiet market, where Tron trades sideways without major changes. CoinPrice Forecast views the short-term path as moving upward. Crypto predictions suggest Tron could slide further. Overall, the consensus view indicates Tron will move lower across this horizon. Looking across the different forecasts, 60% of analysts anticipate growth, pointing to a stronger outlook for Tron. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. As a result, the price action finished at $0.3237. 3 out of 5 matched the actual trend. If we check accuracy alone, CoinCodex was the closest. Time to spell it out. Just one forecast was within the market's daily range. When it comes to ROI, several results turned positive, with digital coin price showing the best return of 1%. And now, the recap is on screen. All forecast outcomes together. Also in today's table, Traders Union had 63.8% forecast probability, 0.20's $55 accuracy, and 1% ROI. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Tron and others. In tomorrow's forecast overview, Tron stays at the top with 1% in potential return. For now, you can see Tron next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set will be featured on my website soon. Before you go, hit subscribe to stay aligned with tomorrow's update. Talk soon.